but I have to do it for the good of all of you. We're in my closet. I'm gonna show you the before. I'm a little embarrassed, but here's Jan Silverman of One Organized Home.
Hello.
To the rescue. She is going to teach us all how to organize every area of our home. And in fact, what that does is it helps you organize your life too. So Jan was here pre-pandemic, literally February of 2019. So it's been 3 years.
3 years.
And she cleaned everything. It was gorgeous. So here she's got to come back. In fact, I'm going to have her here once a quarter, I think. But let's just show Jan what's going on. And okay, Jan, I have shoes in here that are literally 15 to 20 years old.
Well, I think it's time for us to purge a bit. Holding on to stuff for
That's
too
a lot
long.
of shoes, don't you think?
That's a lot of shoes, but considering you've been collecting for a long time, not too terrible. But I'm sure we could pare it down a little.
And then I
it
think
won't be
these
so overwhelming when you go to get dressed.
fall out. Like,
yes.
Okay, so there's a lot of issues with the shoes.
We can do better.
Now we have all these little skinny drawers, and I've gotten messy. I'm embarrassed. You guys, I have different botanical Benedetta stuff for my face, and then here's just like, I don't know what's in there. And then here's my makeup area.
This is an area for sure that we're gonna purge because you don't want to hold on to makeup that's too old.
Yeah, I don't even know how.
It's always good to get rid of and refresh. Brushes need to get cleaned. You don't want to use old pencils around your eyes.
I mean, this is at least 3 years old because who's been putting on makeup?
Right.
Okay, so we have a few drawers to fix here, but this is what I really wanted you guys to see. Jan, she's so brilliant. Okay, how does this look, Jan?
Well, it could be better. When I left, it was much better. And we gotta go through a little tutorial on folding the pants better.
You know, you take off your pants, you just want to throw it in and get going doing something else.
Yeah. So you gotta take your time. And you need to, I think,
Okay, here are my jeans.
shake them out, button them up.
But it takes time to button.
It does.
Okay, now look how she folds them.
Fold it in half.
Okay, so let me do this.
So
Okay,
it's nice.
so you
and
do
flat.
it the back way. Okay,
Either way is fine.
okay.
Flatten them out. Stick them on the. It really doesn't take any longer. Stick them on the hanger. Flatten them out and put them back in. And when I put things back in, I always put. I either have them all the legs going one way or the backs. It doesn't matter. Whatever suits you.
Okay.
But let's say we're gonna put the backs like that.
Okay, how about these kind of pants?
Same. You can fold them the same.
Well, really?
Yes.
Oh.
And I would suggest zipping it up. Give it a quick little shake.
Okay.
Same. Flatten it out.
Okay. Mm.
There you go.
You know how you have the pants with the line down the middle?
Oh, a crease. Yes.
A crease?
Yes.
Maybe this one.
Okay. Well,
And look, I have it hung this way.
you have it hung that way.
Okay.
So I would.
Let's
with
do this.
With this, same. I try and like keep things zipped and buttoned. Obviously.
She's way more zen than me.
It just takes a couple seconds longer to do it the right way. And then
Okay, this is what's
you're
hard.
on the crease. No, it's not hard. Look, the creases are right there for you. Fold it over, put it on. Voila.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, guys, I hope you learned something.
And we're gonna put jeans with jeans and slacks with slacks.
Okay, we'll come
Like
back
with
and
like.
we'll see the after. Ta-da! And you're asking, how did we do this? Well, like I said, I had some shoes that were 15, 18 years old and pretty much out of style and pretty much beaten up, but hard to get rid of. Jan?
Listen, we can't hold on to everything. We have limited space. So my rule is buy something new, something's gotta go. Especially in this case because she has a contained amount of space.
And it makes
And then
me
we
feel
turned
so...
everything facing out. And literally this was 15 minutes of
Really,
time
15
to work.
minutes. Isn't it beautiful? Like, I
It
feel...
just looks so much better.
I just feel...
We left her
calmer.
sneakers here because she wears them all the time.
Yes.
And they need to be easy access.
But I just feel a calmness. This is really
Feels much
good
better.
for the heart. I
Good.
mean, I'm just filled with love when I walk in here. Jan, it's amazing.
Good.
It's amazing.
I'm so glad. This was a quick refresh. switched out all the hangers, so everything's the same. And for pants, I'm actually going to get her all the small child size hangers because her things are little and they're going to fit in here much better.
But all pants are little.
They're all going to get switched out. And this is going to look really good. And I took all of her leathers and file folded them into these boxes.
Great idea.
Done.
Great idea. But you know how you have some sweaters that don't fit on the big hangers? These small hangers are fantastic.
Perfect. They're really good.
And they're great for everyone's pants. It doesn't matter how tall or big or anything. You know,
That's
you fold them.
true. They're great.
Thank you, Jan. Before and after.